In this video, we are going to discuss sample rank.
Sample rank is a proprietary system for ranking the severity of a sample result. It's an informed estimate of how serious the problem is based on industry data and input from equipment owners. The sample rank can range from 0 to 10. The higher the sample rank, the more abnormal the sample results are.
So it helps you sort through large volumes of samples to quickly identify the ones that matter most. So you can see in the example, you can pinpoint the ones that are the highest ranking on sample rank and take a look at those first. So how does it work? We compare every property tested against previous samples, reference oil samples, and a database of over 6 million samples. We also take into consideration things like generic make and model, industry, and oil type. Each test for a particular sample is assigned a test rank based on those comparisons. The top 6 trending tests are rolled up into an overall sample rank using a proprietary weighted algorithmic equation. When viewing sample reports, you'll see the sample rank for that particular sample along with the individual test ranks and the top trends analysis for the highest trending tests. In this case, dirt, silicon, and aluminum had an extremely high negative test rank, which impacted on the overall sample rank. As you drill deeper into the sample, you can review the areas where action needs to be taken. In this case, the trend plots show a significant change from past results and should be reviewed to determine why the anomaly occurred. So with sample rank, you gain perspective. You see how you're doing against industry averages and compared to your past sample results. You get goal-based improvement targets, and you can set custom flags based on data versus industry standards. So, when you're looking at the individual test rank histograms that make up a sample rank, most samples that test should land in the top of the bell curve between the 2 yellow lines, which is generally seen as the typical average for that component. If you're sitting at the red dot, you've got a potentially serious issue that you may need to correct immediately. If sitting at the yellow dot, while your sample may not be at a reportable level, you are outside of the typical average. There may be something unique in your environment or your maintenance schedules that is affecting your results. If at the green dot, you are best in class, but you may want to look at your flagging limits based on your unique data and circumstances so you don't miss actual issues that are occurring. Additionally, increased cost savings and efficiency can come by using sample rank. We did a study of over 15,000 samples over a 9-month period, and what we found was that if you act on samples with a sample rank of 8 or greater, over 90% of the savings are captured with only 19% of the samples. This can make your team 3 to 6 times more efficient by focusing on the highest sample rank samples. If you'd like to learn more about sample rank, contact a Fluid Life representative, toll free 877-962-2400, or visit fluidlife.com. Thank you.